window at each other.
Of course, the bar is right at my eyesight.
I know.
So I'm like going over, going under to reach you.
Like all take a collective sigh of like amazement, because we're bringing you a short sleeve dress that's called the Floralicious. We're looking at it on Crystal right there. This is going to be your special occasion dressing, your one and done, super flattery, drapey, flowy. It feels silky because it's that beautiful rayon spandex blend. Look at that bounce. That is my favorite thing.
Me too. I
want you to think right now about those hot, sticky months where you're like, I don't want to wear anything. This is what you're going to wear.
Absolutely.
Here are our great colors. This is the dark navy lavender choice. That bounce is because it's 92% rayon, 8% span.
It's amazing.
Here's what Crystal was wearing, that gorgeous cherry shadow pink. And here's what Angel's wearing, which is black light aqua, extra small through 5X. This is special because I haven't seen a dress like this from Quacker Factory before.
So we have done dresses in this fabrication that you have loved. The palm tree one with the keyhole, same fabrication. Last year we had kind of a tie-dye looking one. But this print is so beautiful. And I have to say that I really couldn't decide if I wanted to wear the aqua or the pink.
Right.
Because, you know, I have to tell you the truth.
Tell me.
A couple years ago, I would have never thought to put pink and red together. Like, no.
Yeah. Right.
But I love it now.
Isn't it
I'm obsessed with it.
How
it's amazing.
Things change and those look so beautiful together. That print is exquisite.
It really is. It reminds me of just, you know, the flower gardens. This is my favorite kind of garden.
Yeah.
No watering, no weeding.
Right.
No,
just like a wild
anything.
array.
It's just wild. And we all need a dress now and again, whether it's for services, whether it's for a bridal shower. I'm throwing a bridal shower in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
You know, we have a wedding to go to in May. So you need stuff for the night before. You need stuff for the next day. This is something that is fantastic, eases over the body so nicely. Bouncy, beautiful fabric, a little hint of rhinestones at the neckline.
Just a whisper.
Exactly. And if you're traveling and trying to not pay for luggage, you know, because airlines don't make enough money already.
Right.
And you know, my husband always challenges me if we're just going for a weekend, you're not checking a bag, right? You know, no, babes, no, I've gotten better at that.
Yes.
So I pack pieces that are versatile.
Right.
This you can wear to breakfast, you can wear out to dinner, you can wear it over a bathing suit, you can wear it lounging in your room. Like, there's so many options. The only option is which color is your favorite.
Well, and I like that you mentioned that. So you're wearing that gorgeous black light aqua. This is dark navy lavender. I'm holding up the cherry shadow pink. We're looking at Crystal right now, and I was gonna say, because I'm holding this up to my body, but look at Crystal's shoes. All you have to do is figure out what shoe you want to wear, and that kind of dictates where you're going to go. So Crystal's kind of like, she's going out maybe to an event. She's going to a wedding or a garden party, a Valentine's Day date with her honey.
Yes.
I think so, because she's got that cute little mule on and the pink purse.
I love it.
But I'm wearing like these metallic sneakers.
Oh, would totally wear sneakers with this.
You guys, if you have not come over to the side of wearing sneakers with your dresses, I want to invite you. The water's fine. It's such a cute way to dress now, and the sneakers that we have look so great. One and done dressing is one of my favorite things.
Me too.
Pop it over your head, you're out the door, and you look incredible, like you've made this big effort because you're wearing a dress.
Yes, I know. I love it. And again, it rolls into nothing, so you can pack it and take it with you. I will tell you, I'm a little in between sizes.
Okay.
So I did go up to a 2X in this.
Great.
But this is how I like it to fit. I want it to be a little extra roomy. I don't want anything. I'd rather have it be roomier than too tight on my body, you know, because I'm a little conscious about this area. So I just love the flow. I love the drape. This is so comfortable. Like, I could literally, when I get home, go to bed in this.
Isn't that
I'm not
great?
going to, but I could.
That you're bringing home something that's soft, flattering, elegant, and it feels incredible because it's 92% rayon. Rayon, of course, invented to mimic silk. Then you've got that great spandex, so you've got stretch and recovery. But to me, when you were moving around, Angel, earlier, it looks like you've got a wind machine on you.
Yes.
This is like a music video moment of like, who is that mysterious stranger?
Yes,
it's me.
I love it. I love it. I love it. And I just threw on, you know, this jacket is new this season with the rhinestones. And I threw it on because, it's a little chilly
in the air. And then that also dresses it up or down. Because think about it, you could also have popped on a blazer. a sling back,
Absolutely.
and then you're like office to worship ready.
Right, a beautiful cardigan.
Yes.
You know, there's so many ways that you can just make this adapt to your needs by adding the topper pieces. Maybe a boot. You put on some tights and a boot on this right now and a jacket like this, and I'm ready to walk right out of the building. Yes.
That's incredible. Machine wash, tumble dry. The length is 46.5 to 52.5, depending on where you fall in that size chart. We're looking at Crystal right there. Crystal, of course, is 5'3". She's wearing size medium. I love that it's a short sleeve, but because it's Quacker, you've got a little bit more real estate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So short, but not capped.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I like. I hate a cap sleeve.
Who
just cuts
does?
off your arm at the weirdest
I know
place.
very few people that can pull off a cap sleeve. This is a 681260 Floralicious short sleeve dress, new just a few days ago. It was $72. Now it's $65.98. 3 easy payments of $21.99. This is cherry. Shadow pink, that's what Miss Crystal was wearing. Here's that absolutely gorgeous dark navy lavender. Again, think about like unusual color combinations that are gorgeous together. And then here's what Angel's wearing, which is that black light aqua. Tap our app, visit us on QVC.com, or give us a call. It's A681-260.